When Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh, he would ascend the pulpit, and when he would praise Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anh, he would say, خَيْرُ هَذَا الْأُمَّةِ خَيْرُ هَذَا الْأُمَّةِ وَأَفْضَلُ هَذَا الْأُمَّةِ. That Abu Bakr was the best of this ummah. Who's saying this? Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh is saying that Abu Bakr is خَيْرُ هَذَا الْأُمَّةِ وَأَفْضَلُ هَذَا الْأُمَّةِ. Abu Bakr is the best of this ummah and is the most virtuous of this ummah. And then he would say, regarding Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala anh, he would say, خَيْرُ النَّاسِ أَفْضَلُ النَّاسِ أَشْجَعُ النَّاسِ. Abu Bakr was the best of all people. He was the most virtuous of all people. And he was the most brave amongst all people. Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anh, he would not make any major decision without consulting Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh. To the extent that it became famous amongst the Nahwiyin, that they would say, Hazrat Umar would say, قَضِيَّةٌ وَلَا أَبَا حَسَنٍ لَهَا. That there is a major decision, but Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh, he is not in Medina Munawwara. So Hazrat Umar radiallahu ta'ala anh would always consult Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anh. And on one occasion he said, لَوْلَا عَلِيٌّ لَهَلَكَ عُمَرٌ. If it was not for Ali, then Umar would be destroyed. So they all had love and compassion amongst themselves. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala anh was mounted on a horse. He saw Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anh walking, and there was some dust on the shoes of Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anh. What did Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiallahu anh do? He dismounts the horse and he cleans the dust of the shoes of Hazrat Hussain radiallahu ta'ala anh. And he says, this is how the Sahabas respect the Ahl Bayt.